The crossbar on the arms of this mini skid steer is bent, and it's causing a misalignment between the pin bushings on these arms. So I'm going to try to fix that today using a Rosebud torch and this jack stand by using the actual hydraulics of the machine to force the arms back down, thus forcing the bar to kind of straighten out. This was an attempt to fix this without having to cut the bar out and weld the new one in, because I didn't want to have to worry about if I cut that bar out, if my arms would get even further out of alignment, and I thought this would be the easiest way. This is a Harris Rosebud, and it does pretty quick work of heating up this bar, which is about 1.25 inches thick. Now, the idea of using the jack stand kind of came about from trying to use that 6x6 you see on the ground there and realizing that a jack stand would actually do a really good job. After heating it and bending it a little bit, I decided to use the wire wheel to clean it up so I could see the heat color a little bit better. You can see it a little bit better in this next shot where I'm zoomed in more, that while I am bending it, I'm not really getting it that straight, but in the end, that's not really going to matter. As long as I get those pins to align, even if it's a little ugly, it's still going to do the job. So I heated it up a couple more times, gave it a little bit of bend, and then was able to test it with my test pin, and the alignment worked out perfect. Now all my attachments fit great.